shout out to Jada Toys for sending over 2 product lines, the Pink Slips and the Big Time Muscle. These are 124 scale cars, and I've been seeing them on the shelves a lot at different retailers, and I thought, hey, let's do a review on one of these. 2 things about these brands. The Pink Slips, they are a little more geared toward a unique styling. A big focus with this brand is the quality of the paints. So you're gonna see a lot of like radiant and iridescent type paint colors, bright paint colors with this product line. This was just launched, I think, last year. So that'll be something that we dig into. And then the Big Time Muscle cars, they are just a plethora of different types of muscle cars with its own Jada twist and styling. So let's dig into, I want to do the Pink Slips first, so let's go ahead and just grab this thing. Here's what the box looks like, and you can see that iridescent paint. That's really cool. This comes in a set of 3. The one we're looking at is the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. I do love the Lamborghinis. That's a cool Aventador. It's got some carbon fiber on it, and it also comes with the Mustang Dark Horse in that set. Damage the box. Got it. All right. Here's a close-up of this thing. I like the detailing of the carbon fiber spoiler on the back. I just feeling it actually is ridged. It's not just like a print. It actually has rigidity to the texture of that. The tail lights are really cool. Look at that thing. Got the Pink Slips license plate on the back, and the sparkly iridescent paint on this looks really good. Open the door, take a look at the interior. Wow, even the dash, you can see like numbers and stuff in there. That's cool, like right there on the instrument cluster. That's really cool. I like the bucket seats too. You got 2-tone coloring on the bucket seats, and you can see it's really hard to see here, but there's the Cobra logo. It's very subtle at the center of the seats there. Big fan of articulating parts, and this does have an articulating hood on it. There's the engine bay, and you can see the Cobra right there on the top of the engine. Very cool. These wheels do spin. That's fun. And there's got like this matte black on the top. Really nice attention to detail. I like that it says Pink Slips on the back. That's cool. Got this little racing stripe coming down. Some vents in the hood there. The headlights look good. That's cool. And then there's the Shelby logo. Now, another thing I was just mentioning, they have these platforms that they come on, so you can see this carbon fiber pink platform. It says Pink Slips right along there. And yeah, so that is the Mustang GT500. Pretty cool. And I'll probably just give it to my kids when we're done with this. All right, let's check out the next one. The next Pink Slip is gonna be the 2015 Dodge SRT Hellcat. And as you can see, that pink to blue color shift paint that it has. Let's crack it open. So, review tip number 1, get some scissors or a knife if you're gonna open these. Okay, there we go. That's cool. Oh, and there's like what comes in that collective set, just so you can see it. Okay. Zoom in on this bad boy here. I like the blacked out rims. It's cool. It's got real rubber on the tires. Let's take a look at the interior there. Again, you can see the instrument cluster, which is cool. Let's see if I can zoom in more on that for you guys. Look at that. Beauty. zoom in on that screen there. Oh yeah. That's cool. That's really cool. Is it got Apple CarPlay? I'm just kidding. I don't know. See, I can't quite make out what it says. Looks like that's really cool detailing though. That's awesome. I didn't know if the Mustang had that too. Nah, the Mustang didn't. The GT500, that's what that one looked like on the interior, just to compare. Very cool. There's a little cup, like a little coffee cup in there. Look how huge my finger is compared to. That's funny. Okay. Cool bucket seats on the Hellcat. Let me zoom that back out for you. There we go. Nice. And fan of articulating parts. Now something that, ooh, look at this little chrome engine in there. Nothing crazy, but just enough to enjoy it. We got the Hellcat logo right back. Got just a plain black truck. My kids will probably put Lego pieces in there and stuff later. But very cool. There's the bottom. There are the two pink slips that Jada sent to me. Let's take a look at Big Time Muscle now. This one had a little bit more stuff on the on the cover there. Pretty cool. There's everything that it comes with as far as that set goes. The Big Time Muscle brand it's all muscle cars. That's what the brand is about. 2006 Corvette Z06. So let's crack this open. There it is, Spirit Racing. No, oh, it does open. Whoa, that's cool. Take a look at the dash there. Big Time Muscle on the license plate there. Got the Corvette logo. The Z06, like the double mufflers on the back. This is a 2006 Corvette Z06. Cool to see the shifter knob. There you can see the handbrake right there. That's awesome. Bucket seats. Just opens this way. Okay. So it shows you what I knew about that. So just like that. Nice. Beautiful. Look at all those articulating parts. Rubber tires, of course. Got the black on black rims again with this one. There's the engine. You can see the little chrome on it. Very cool. I do like it. Jada style, original Jada style. 2024 Ford Mustang. There's the cars in the set that it comes with, if you were to collect that whole set. Let's crack it open. 2024 Dark Horse. Now this is really cool, this like etching right here. I do like seeing that. The Ford logo looks good. I'm a fan of Ford. I drive a Ford F-150. If anyone are curious what my real life car that I drive is, that's what I drive, is a F-150 XLT 2019. All right, there is the interior on that. Ooh, I like, you can see, it's very subtle, but you can see the horse logo in the center of that steering wheel. I just need the light to catch it just right to see that. Again, there's the mirrors. See, they're like just a little flexible there, which is cool. And you can pop the back trunk open on that. Ooh, look at the double air filters. Nice detailing. 5.0. If you like the video, let me know. I'll catch you on the next one.